Let's look at the equation 3x plus 2 equal 8. This equation is considered to be a two-step equation because you can solve and find the value of x in 2 steps. Let's set it up on the balance scale. 3x, 1x, 2x, 3x, plus 2. On the right side, you have an 8. As you can see, you have a number cube on the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. Let's go ahead and try to remove this 2, since we need to find the value of each of these blue pawn, which represent the x. So I am going to replace my 8 as 2 plus 6. Now you can see the left side of the equation has a 2 and the right side also has a 2. I can go ahead and remove them off the balance scale. Removing them implies I need to subtract a 2 on both sides of the equation. On the left side you have 3x. The right side you now have 6. We need to find the value of each of these x. 6 is nothing but 2 plus 2 plus 2. I need to divide the 6 by the 3. So each pawn takes on the value of 2. X is equal to 2. Solve another two-step equation. 2x plus 3 equals 7. We need to find the value of x. Using the blue pawn, we can set this up as 1x, 2x, plus 3 equal 7. The left side has a 3, the right side has a 7. Remember, what you do to one side of the equation, we need to do to the other side of the equation. So I am going to swap the 7 as 3 plus 4. Now you can see the left side has a 3 and the right side has a 3. Go ahead and remove the 3 on both sides of the equation. Removing the 3 is nothing but subtracting a 3 on both sides. The left side you have 2x, the right side you now have 4. I need to divide the 4 among the 2 pawns. 4 is nothing but 2 plus 2. Divide the left side by 2, the right side by 2. As you can see, each pawn now takes on the value of 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2.